तुमने वो कैसे किया? हाउ डिड यू डू दैट? हाउ डिड यू डू दैट? ये मेरे लिए आसान था। इट वॉज ईजी फॉर मी। इट वॉज ईजी फॉर मी। मैंने कुछ खास नहीं किया, बस अपना काम किया। आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग स्पेशल, जस्ट डिड माई जॉब। आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग स्पेशल, जस्ट डिड माई जॉब। तुमने अपना काम अच्छे से किया। यू डिड योर जॉब वेल। यू डिड योर जॉब वेल। तुम्हारे काम से सबको फ़ायदा हुआ है। एवरीवन बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम योर वर्क। एवरीवन बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम योर वर्क। आपने ये कहाँ से सीखा? Where did you learn it from? Where did you learn it from? ये मेरा अपना अनुभव है। This is my own experience. This is my own experience. मैं खुद को बदलना चाहती हूँ। I want to change myself. I want to change myself. ये एक बहुत अच्छा फैसला है, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। This is a great decision. I'm with you. This is a great decision. I'm with you. हम साथ में इसका रास्ता निकाल सकते हैं। We can find a way together. We can find a way together. मुझे नहीं पता कि मुझे अभी इसके बारे में बात करनी चाहिए या नहीं। I don't know if I need to talk about it now. I don't know if I need to talk about it now. लेकिन क्यों? मैंने क्या किया? But why? What have I done? But why? What have I done? तुमने कुछ नहीं किया, बस मैंने सोचा। You didn't do anything. I just thought. You didn't do anything. I just thought. मैं खुद से नाराज हूँ। I'm upset with myself. I'm upset with myself. अब मैं क्या करूँ? What should I do now? What should I do now? थोड़ा समय दो अपने आप को। Give yourself some time. Give yourself some time. अपने दिल की सुनो। Listen to your heart. Listen to your heart. अब कुछ नहीं, बस आराम करो। Nothing for now, just relax. Nothing for now, just relax. तुम मुझसे क्या चाहती हो? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? मैं आपकी मदद कर सकती हूँ। I can help you. I can help you. ये किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है। It can happen to anyone. It can happen to anyone. ये ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा है। It's a part of life. It's a part of life. आज मैं बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ। Today I'm feeling really good. Today I'm feeling really good. आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो। You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. मैं भी यही कहना चाहती हूँ। I also want to say the same. I also want to say the same. आप कहाँ थे? Where have you been? Where have you been? मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए एक बहुत अच्छी खबर है। I've got awesome news for you. I've got awesome news for you. क्या बात है बताओ? What's the matter? Tell me. What's the matter? Tell me. तुम इतनी उदास क्यों हो? Why are you so unhappy? Why are you so unhappy? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे सब कुछ गलत हो रहा है। I feel like everything is going wrong. I feel like everything is going wrong. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़िद्दी है। She is so incredibly stubborn. She is so incredibly stubborn. किसी को पहला कदम उठाना होगा। Someone has to make the first move. Someone has to make the first move. बस मुझे समझाने के लिए थोड़ी देर का समय दो। Just give me a moment to explain everything. Just give me a moment to explain everything. मैं सब कुछ समझना चाहती हूँ। I want to understand everything. I want to understand everything. थोड़ी देर का समय तो दो, मैं सब कुछ समझा दूंगा। Give me some time, I'll explain everything. Give me some time, I'll explain everything. मैं बस थोड़ी देर के लिए आया था। I only came by for a couple of minutes. I only came by for a couple of minutes. क्या आपने कभी ऐसी खूबसूरत चीज़ देखी है? Have you ever seen such a beautiful thing? Have you ever seen such a beautiful thing? नहीं, मैंने ऐसी चीज़ पहले कभी नहीं देखी. No, I have never seen anything like this before. No, I have never seen anything like this before. यह सचमुच बहुत अनोखा है. It's really very unique. It's really. तुम्हें ये कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get this from? Where did you get this from? ये मेरे दोस्त ने दिया. My friend gave it to me. My friend gave it to me. तुमने उसे कुछ दिया बदले में? Did you give him something in return? Did you give him something in return? नहीं, मैंने उसे कुछ नहीं दिया. No, I didn't give him anything. No, I didn't give him anything. कोई बात नहीं, दोस्ती में लेन देन नहीं होता. No worries, there's no give and take in friendship. No worries, there is no give and take in friendship. अगर तुमने उसे कुछ नहीं दिया तो फिर भी वो तुम्हारा दोस्त है. Even if you didn't give him anything, he is still your friend. Even if you didn't give him anything, he is still your friend. अच्छा, फिर तो सब ठीक है. Okay, then everything's fine. Okay, then everything's fine. हाँ, अब खुश हो जाओ. Yes, now be happy. Yes, now be happy. आपको इसकी क्या ज़रूरत है? What do you need it for? What do you need it for? मुझे अपने काम के लिए इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need it for my work. I need it for my work. क्या मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ? Can I do something for you? Can I do something for you? नहीं शुक्रिया. No thank you. No thank you. मुझे नहीं पता, ये मेरी नहीं है. I don't know. It's not mine. I don't know. It's not mine. चलो शांति से बात करते हैं. Let's talk calmly. Let's talk calmly. चलो अब इस बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं. Let's not discuss this right now. Let's not discuss this right now. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे कुछ और समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I think that I don't need any further explanation. I think that I don't need any further explanation. ठीक है, फिर मैं कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. Okay, then I won't say anything. Okay, then I won't say anything. ये सच नहीं है. It's not true. It's not true. मुझे यकीन नहीं है. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. मेरे लिए ये मुश्किल है. It's difficult for me. It's difficult for me. ये सब सिर्फ खोखले शब्द हैं. That's all just empty words. That's all just empty words. आपको सच में कुछ करना चाहिए. You should actually do something. You should actually do something. सिर्फ बातें करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Just talking won't accomplish anything. Just talking won't accomplish anything. क्या तुम उसे नहीं पहचानती? Don't you recognize her? Don't you recognize her? मैं किसी को नहीं जानती. I don't know anyone. I don't know anyone. आपको यह कहाँ से मिला? Where did you find that? Where did you find that? यह मैंने इंटरनेट पर देखा. I saw it on the internet. I saw it on the internet. ये कैसी गड़बड़ है? What kind of mess is this? What kind of mess is this? वह घर से काम कर सकती है. She can work from home. She can work from home. उसने मुझे फ़ोन क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't she call me? Why didn't she call me? शायद वो भूल गई होगी. Maybe she forgot. Maybe she forgot. शायद वो गुस्से में थी. Maybe she was angry. Maybe she was angry. आप हमेशा बिजी रहते हो. You're busy all the time. You're busy all the time. आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? तुम्हें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. You're not understanding anything. You're not understanding anything. मुझे इसके बारे में सोचने दो. Let me think about it. लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट। तुम्हें कितना समय चाहिए? हाउ मच टाइम डू यू नीड? हाउ मच टाइम डू यू नीड? क्या वह कल तक इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकते? कांट दे वेट अंटिल टुमारो? कांट दे वेट अंटिल टुमारो? उसको क्या हुआ है? व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विथ हर? व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विथ हर? उसे अकेला छोड़ दो। जस्ट लीव हर अलोन। जस्ट लीव हर अलोन। क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? तुम मेरी भावनाओं का मजाक क्यों बना रही हो? Why are you making fun of my feelings? Why are you making fun of my feelings? मैं तुम्हारी भावनाओं का मजाक नहीं उड़ा रही। I'm not making fun of your feelings. I'm not making fun of your feelings. मैं सिर्फ मदद करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। I'm just trying to help. I'm just trying to help. मैं यहाँ हूँ तुम्हारे लिए। अगर तुम्हें बात करनी है तो मैं सुनने के लिए तैयार हूँ। I'm here for you. If you want to talk, I'm ready to listen. I'm here for you. If you want to talk, I'm ready to listen. ठीक है, जब भी तुम चाहो मैं तुम्हारी बात सुनने के लिए हमेशा तैयार हूँ। All right, I'm always ready to listen to you whenever you want to talk. All right, I'm always ready to listen to you whenever you want to talk. आपको देर हो जाएगी। You're gonna be late. You're gonna be late. आप मेरी बहुत चिंता करते हो। You worry about me too much. You worry about me too much. मुझे तुम्हें कुछ बताना है, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। I need to tell you something. It's important. I need to tell you something. It's important. मैं सुन रही हूँ, बोलो। I'm listening. Go on. I'm listening. Go on. ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है लेकिन मैं तुम्हें बताना चाहता हूँ। It's a bit difficult but I want to tell you. It's a bit difficult but I want to tell you. मुझे लगता है तुम्हें यह जानना चाहिए। I think you should know this. I think you should know this. क्या है? What is it? What is it? मैं तुम पर भरोसा करता हूँ इसलिए तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ। I trust you. That's why I'm telling you. I trust you. That's why I'm telling you. एक बात है जो मुझे परेशान कर रही है। It's something that's bothering me. It's something that's bothering me. ये एक सीक्रेट है जो मैं तुम्हें बताना चाहता हूँ। It's a secret I want to share with you. It's a secret I want to share with you. आपको कुछ भी कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। You don't need to say anything. You don't need to say anything. मैं जानता हूँ तुम मुझे समझते हो। I know you understand me. I know you understand me. वह जानना चाहती थी कि क्या तुम जानती हो वह कहाँ है। She wanted to know if you know where he is. She wanted to know if you know where he is. नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता वह कहाँ है। No, I don't know where he is. No, I don't know where he is. लेकिन मैं पता कर सकता हूँ। But I can find out. But I can find out. मुझे नहीं पता वह कहाँ होगा। I don't know where he would be. I don't know where he would be. मुझे चिंता है वह ठीक तो होगा। I'm worried that he might be okay. I'm worried that he might be okay. क्या टाइम हो रहा है? What time is it? What time is it? तुम बहुत अजीब हो। You're so weird. You're so weird. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। Nothing like that. Nothing like that. क्या मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकती हूँ? Can I help you? Can I help you? क्या बात है? What's going on? What's going on? आपको क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? कुछ नहीं, बस मैं किसी को ढूंढ रहा था। Nothing. I was just looking for someone. Nothing. I was just looking for someone. क्या हमें जाना होगा? Do we have to go? Do we have to go? नहीं, हम यहाँ रह सकते हैं। No, we can stay here. No, we can stay here. क्या आप उनसे मिलना नहीं चाहते? You don't want to see him? You don't want to see him? मेरा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। I have nothing to do with him. I have nothing to do with him. तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? मुझे खुद नहीं पता. I don't know myself. I don't know myself. मैंने ये गलती से कर दिया. I did it by mistake. I did it by mistake. मेरे पास कोई और चारा नहीं था. I had no other option. I had no other option. आपने जो किया ठीक था. What you did was right. What you did was right. अब कुछ नहीं कहना, जो हो गया सो हो गया. Nothing to say now. What's done is done. Nothing to say now. What's done is done. ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही है जैसे मैंने सपना देखा था. This is exactly what I dreamed of. This is exactly what I dreamed of. इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be better than this. Nothing can be better than this. मैं बिल्कुल खुश हूँ. I'm absolutely happy. I'm absolutely happy. ये मेरे लिए सबसे खुशी का पल है. This is the happiest moment for me. This is the happiest moment for me. मैं तैयार हूँ लेकिन आप नहीं. I'm ready and you're not. I'm ready and you're not. मैं आपके लिए इंतजार नहीं कर सकती. I can't wait for you. I can't wait for you. तुम्हें क्या हो गया है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? कुछ नहीं, मैं ठीक हूँ. Nothing, I'm fine. Nothing, I'm fine. मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ भूल रही हूँ. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I feel like I'm forgetting something. कुछ जरूरी चीज भूल रही हो? Are you forgetting something important? Are you forgetting something important? अपने दिमाग को थोड़ा आराम दो. Relax your mind a bit. Relax your mind a bit.